Our software engineers are based in Australia, but they have offices in Malaysia and Vietnam and Singapore. They're quite big. And we have million-dollar accounts all over the United States and elsewhere, and we use Dawn Computing as our consultants. And one of the many reasons we love them is they're big on molecular modeling and computational fluid dynamics. And FEA they're great at, and process modeling. These are all things that are very, very important to us. But they do everything. And originally, the plan was to use them for 3 months in training, but we've elected to keep them on full time. And this allows our systems to be completely humming and keep them updated. And I know for a fact our systems wouldn't be running so well if it weren't for this crew. We have million-dollar clients everywhere, and they've completely trained our groups to keep everyone happy. We continue to grow, and Dawn Computing continues to be a major part of that, if not the major part. We are just completely in awe of these platforms we're able to provide to our clients that perform impeccably. And it's all Dawn Computing, there's no question.